Menteri Rang Badu Gejala Mikhalaya Ukon Rat Ki Sangma Hakakat Pratrik Jemang Ajar Pesau Layo Ekaban Lejurip Yakatu Keni Kicaka Hapo juga Barik Point Namar Bakasorka Kaladon Kejing Temu Berpen Kelai Kanong Bak Shillong Kum Kawai Nikijaka Kaban Kring Yakinong Wan Jengok Kai Pertai Pada Menteri Rang Bak Habaya Kren Berkilat Patai Kubor Uloong Bawan Pynieng Daka Lama Jongkeri India Daka Jrong Hapo Barik Point Kanang Bakanong Bak Shillong Porok Kawai Kan Yoi Batkan Long Rushi Bentah Kecing Bersengong Serong Yala Kejongkeri Wat Shushu Menteri Rang Bak Uloong Iaka Office Bludi Kapadon Mentah Barik on Pynkynriah no Hakawai Pat Kejaka Patlaong Baha Ketu Kejaka Padon ke Bludi Office Hapo Barik on Pynkala Pensna no Deki Kenja Museum Bagi Jaka Pynieng Kali Ki Bakham Kului Ke Balong Shi Bentah Banlait na Kejing Deng Kali Palat Hapo Jong Kanong Bak Pat Kumjuru Kanlong Kawai Niki Jaka Jengok Kai Pertai Yakati Kejaka Long Menteri Kejala Pat Hagati Keski Lawan Bersenran Lem Yu Menteri Kejala Deki Officer Jongki Office Tenat Solka Baphe Pat Yo Yakaban Jurip Yakati Kejaka Lakalong Ni Em Bansna Yakita Yakabaka Solka Jala Hi Kalatmu
is going to be rationalized, and we will try to utilize maximum the entire land utility with the objective of decreasing the congestion in the city, creating more walking space, and creating overall more beautification for Shillong city. So behind me, as you can see, that we have the Barik point, and this is a PWD land area. There is a plan to completely utilize this to create an open space for the public, create a parking space on the side, and have small buildings which will be more like museums and promote the culture of us, of our state and the history of our state. At the same time, have small eating joints and small place where tourists can come in and really get an experience of Shillong city. At the same time, right here we also intend to have a very high national flag hoisted here, which will be, as I said, at the heart of the city, which will again be a very strong icon in the city in the center of the city, which again will send a very strong message. And we expect that by July end or by August we should be able to shift the offices from here and start the work maybe sometime in the month of September, and quickly be able to convert this into a nice open space, a green space, and a space where tourists can really enjoy the city.